Hi guys, and welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can grow your hair back, and I have a very simple recipe that you can do at home, and I am going to share with you what that is. It's 3 items. The first one is red onions. A little shopping tip, you can get this at the 99-cent store. If you haven't been to the 99-cent store and you have one around, I suggest you go there and check out their produce section. I think you'll be very pleasantly surprised. Garlic, and each of these items were 99 cents each. And here I have apple cider vinegar, and this helps to kill the smell. And this I got at Walmart, and this was kind of pricey. This was just under $6, but it is for 32 fluid ounces, which is 1 quart. So that's kind of a lot, and it's unfiltered, and that's what you want to get. It's actually better. Okay, so I'm going to start out with undoing the knot on top of my head, since my hair has grown long enough for me to put a knot on top of my head. And I let my hair go for 2 weeks without washing it, so now it's nice and oily and greasy. And what you want to do is take your comb or your brush, whichever you prefer, and you want that natural oil and grease to go through your hair. This is very, very healthy because it's very protective. Okay. So, why red onion? Well, I'm going to explain. Red onion is very nourishing for the hair growth. It's rich in sulfur, and that helps to prevent breakage of your hair. It's antibacterial, and it helps fight infections. It has potent antioxidants, and it helps to prevent premature graying. But being that I already have gray hair, I want to see if I can not only grow it out, but get my natural color back. And if you use it regularly, it helps with shine of your hair, and it also helps to prevent head and neck cancer. And it makes your scalp and your hair inhabitable for lice. It adds volume, it fights dandruff, and it helps to bring more blood circulation to your scalp. Especially in the crown and the back, you need to do some head massages to help the blood circulation back there. And drink lots of water, that's going to help with it too. And talking about the gray hair, it can develop from massive oxidation stress by way of hydrogen peroxide that builds up in the hair follicles, which causes the hair to bleach itself. And the buildup of hydrogen peroxide is caused by the reduce of the enzyme that breaks up the hydrogen peroxide. It's naturally occurring in your scalp into water and oxygen, and the enzyme is called catalase. Pigment cells are called melanocytes. I probably said that wrong. And in the hair follicles, the hair color is called melanin. So what we want to do is grow our hair out, and let's try and get our hair color back. So I've already pre-made the concoction with my juicer, one of them anyway, and so I'm going to take this. I have my trusty little towel, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start putting that on my scalp and just saturating it. So you don't even have to use the whole thing. If you don't have much hair on your head, this might last you for even a few days. then you just want to really get it in there real good. Just like this. And just keep working it into your scalp. Okay, and keep working it into your hair. Massage your scalp real good. And get back in the crown here, because it's the hardest area to get blood circulation. So you want to make sure you get that real good. And just keep massaging into your head for a few minutes. Like so. And just keep going. And if you have a comb, feel free to comb it through. And get your hair just saturated with it. And if you have long hair and you got snarls, start at the bottom of your hair and you can slowly work out the knots. Okay. And that's pretty good. You take your hair, if it's long enough, and you can twist it around in a bun on top of your head. Okay, so I'm just going to roll it like this, put it on top. And you can leave it sit on top of your head like this. You can leave it on for 10 minutes, you can leave it on for 20. 1 to 2 hours is good. Even leaving it on overnight, if you can, is even better. You can put on a cap, like this, keep it in, keep it moist, and then I'll be back after 2 hours. Okay guys, I've had this mixture in my hair for 2 hours now. It's time to go rinse it out of my hair. Oh, by the way, I don't ever wash my hair in the shower, and I don't want hot water on my scalp. That opens up your pores. I go to my kitchen sink to wash my hair, and I wash in cold water, and that helps to close the pores in your scalp. So let's go and wash it off. So now I'm going to take my cap off, and I'm going to rinse my hair out in cold water. And then I'm going to use my shampoo. Okay guys, now that I've washed my hair with my shampoo, you want to get the excess water out. And if you can, I'm not too worried about the part with the dye in it. The hair is going to feel really nice, soft and silky. And if you can, let your hair air dry. If for some reason you don't have as much time, maybe you're running late and you need to use a blow dryer, use it on the cool setting to help dry your hair. So if you want to grow your hair back, don't apply heat to it. It's going to make it very dry. It's going to make it very brittle. Don't use curling irons. Don't use a straightening iron. Oh, all that will just fry your hair, and it's just going to get brittle, and it's going to break off. You're going to get split ends. So don't do that. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.